What's good, YouTube? So I'm back with another video, and this is gonna be a cooking video, a cooking with Imani. So for today, well, for tonight's dinner, I'm gonna be cooking some chicken Alfredo with, penne pasta, vegetables, and grilled white meat, chicken with the creamy Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna be making this for tonight's dinner. So I already put the water and stuff on and put the butter in there so it can all melt. And then I think for my drink, to drink for tonight, I might drink some fruit punch. Either the blue kind, the orange one, or the red one. Either one. But as you guys can see, I'm making tonight's dinner. And yeah. But I'm just letting the butter melt and stuff. So while that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this. But if y'all guys see something in the background, that's my TV. I got the music playing in the background, so yeah. By the way, I don't own no copyrights to this. If you can hear it or not. Oh, by the way, and the game on too. So whenever that milk, I'm gonna put it on number 5 so the butter could like melt faster. But as you guys can see, I'm cooking my first meal in our new place. So they could be cooking. So the title of my be for this pilot is like cooking my first meal in our new place. As the title. So yeah. But I'm gonna start doing cookie videos more often for you guys, so y'all can at least see what's going on and stuff like that. But yeah. And then I might even do my first prank in our new house. So make sure y'all guys stay tuned for that. So yeah. One foot up, left foot slide. Oh, that was Drake. Like, yo, that's my favorite song. Like, when that song literally first came out, I got to dance just like that. Like, But also stay tuned for tonight because I will be doing a night routine, and also I might do a mukbang tonight too as well with the Alfredo and stuff. But make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the videos tonight. And, yeah. But I'll be right back because I need to turn my TV off so it won't play no more music. I just wanted to turn my TV off so it won't play no more music, but I'm gonna have to put that Drake song, the Tootsie Slide, in the description down below because I do not want to get copyrighted. So yeah. But as you guys can see, the butter is melting, and then I'm gonna mix in the stuff. So I'm gonna be right here for you guys. these are big old chickens. My boy. So I just poured the package in there, and then cook on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. So I can put it on number 8, and then boom. Then I'm gonna let that cook. And then, but do we have Alfredo sauce? That's like what I'm missing. Hopefully we got Alfredo sauce. Because if we don't, then we gotta look. Scoot you guys over for 1 second. Please let us have Alfredo sauce. Guys, 1 second. I'm trying to look for the Alfredo sauce. Probably all in the camera and stuff. Oh my god, I thought we had some. I could have sworn we had some Alfredo sauce. But I don't know what it's at, y'all. I'm gonna have to probably look for it later. Once I get done with this video. But yeah. But let me know if you guys want some more cooking videos, because I'm thinking I should start doing cooking videos on my channel as well. Cause for my channel I'm gonna be doing vlogs, pranks, challenges, DIYs, story times, and reaction videos. But also comment down below if you guys want me to do cooking videos as well, because you know. Let me go for this. Oh, and probably I might do a late night vlog too as well. You know, yeah. But I'm gonna see you guys once the food is done cooking. So I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna end the cooking video. Well, actually, no. I'm gonna come back when the food is, you know, all ready and all set, and I'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. So see you guys soon. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back with the cooking video, and then, but as you guys can see, the food is finished, and and then I'll put it in the bowls already. So the pan is in the sink. All I did is just put them in the. Ooh. Jesus, man. All I did was put them in the bowl, and I freaking spilled it everywhere. Guys, hold on 1 second. You gotta clean this up. Yeah, guys, I don't really need to spill it anymore. And white chicks is on too. White chicks. like I said before I freaking done spilled it everywhere, the food is now done. No, hold on. Okay, as I said, the food is now done because I literally just spilled everything before I spilled everything. But the food is done. All I did was put it in the bowls right here. Boom. And yeah, I got me something to drink. I got me the blue one, the blue fruit punch. And let me get a fork. And yeah, the food is nice and finished. I'm gonna put my mom's, her food, in the microwave. And then, boom. That's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to 3 likes. And I'll be back in the next video for you guys. Follow me on my social media sites down below. And we're on the road to 100 subscribers. Make sure y'all keep supporting me, keep rocking with me, because we're just gonna go from here and up. So yeah, and I'm about to go eat. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the mukbang that's coming on later. That's coming on right up next.